Klarius has an extensive range of problem-solving products. Right now, there's tremendous pressure on household finances. Some of the main components of the exhaust system, such as the catalytic converter, DPF, may actually be serviceable, but the product has failed elsewhere, maybe on a joint or from corrosion or through failure. Let's talk through some of the repair options available. Right from this temporary repair, perhaps from a breakdown, and a roadside recovery situation can be avoided with this repair tube, which can be expanded between two pieces and get you back home. On to more extensive repairs, perhaps where the pipe has corroded and failed and fractured. This more comprehensive clamp for a vehicle that's come towards the end of its serviceable life but could get another couple of years on the road can be used for the repair. Moving on to flexible couplings and bellows, where these often fail through fracture between the bellows, so they can be replaced quite easily, available in a variety of different diameters and lengths, or more bespoke items such as this one. Next is replacement bend sections, again available in different diameters and lengths to suit all different vehicle applications, through to more bespoke items like this small connector for a Peugeot 306 coupling, and finally onto more specific items like this stainless steel finisher used for the BMW Mini and Mini Cooper. They're available immediately through your local Klarius stockist. In fact, some of them fit multiple vehicles and may be a good idea for you to keep in the workshop.